Welcome to Nuon's how-to series of videos. In this episode we're going to look at how to use the engine exhaust brake feature on T6 dynamic command tractors. The engine exhaust brake means you don't need to use either the brake pedal or the command grip to slow the tractor. Instead, the engine exhaust brake feature performs this function. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm going to set the engine speed to 1500 RPM and the forward speed to 20 kph and show the tractor coming down a hill without the engine exhaust brake and then with the exhaust brake applied to demonstrate the difference.